proper constructed mesh plays a vital role in nylon printing. If you didn't construct your mesh well, that means your printing won't come out neat. Today, have you been looking for a video of how you are going to construct your mesh? You are in the right place. Today, I'm going to teach you how to construct your mesh using your wood. So today's video is all about construction of mesh and how coating of your mesh and printing too. So this is it, using this. So are you coming across my video for the first time? My name is Vworld. On this channel we talk about everything related to nylon production, from the raw materials to the machineries, production process, and even teach you how to market your products. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share, as it helps us grow our page, and so you won't miss any update from Vworld Nylon Production. So today we are going to learn how to construct mesh, how to coat mesh, and how to even print on nylon. Here with me are my trainees, so we are going to learn along together. So with me here is
Onyechi from Anambra State.
Cynthia from Enugu.
Angel from Enugu.
Malachi from Cameroon.
okay. You are welcome. So they are my physical trainees, and today all of us have to learn how to construct this mesh together and how to print on nylon together. So today I've been getting a lot of comments like, teach us how to construct mesh. I want to learn how to coat mesh and so on. So today I'm going to do it. Yes, so we are going to start. So this is the pin we are going to use. This is the mesh. We have two types of mesh. We have open and closed mesh. So we are going to use closed mesh. So this is my wood, just normal wood that you know. You can go to timber and buy it, or any place they are selling all this wood. You can go there and buy, give it to carpenter if you don't know how to construct, or you go to printing shop, those that construct this, you give it to them to help you and construct it. If you are ordering and printing equipment from us, it used to come with the wood and the printing board and everything. So for those that have ordered printing equipment from us, they can testify that their printing equipment came with this wood, different types and different shapes. So those that have ordered before can testify that we have their equipment used to come with complete set of this. It's the printing board. See the printing board. This is called PVD printing board. So now let's proceed. So this is mesh, open, and we have open and closed mesh. So this one we're going to make use of closed mesh. So this is our pin. This is called pin. So we are going to do it now. So we are going to do it. So you make sure that this thing is in edge. You are going to start. For example, if you buy this, if you buy mesh and that mesh is big, you understand, you are going to start from edge like this, so that later you cut it. Don't cut before putting it here, because you might not get the actual distance. So you have to do it like this, you understand. Start from edge, then the remaining one you can now cut it and keep. You do it like this, then you pin it. First of all, pin the first one, then you stretch it. You are going to pin the four edges of this thing. Make sure the thing is very smooth though. You understand? You're going to make sure that the thing is very smooth, no lump. So we are done pinning. See how it looks like. Touch it.
Very smooth.
Wow, very smooth. Hello, this is smooth.
So we are going to cut it now. We are going to cut it in a way so that next time you use this thing again. You use the mesh again. So after constructing the mesh, another thing we are going to do is to coat the mesh. So what are we going to use to coat the mesh? We are going to use emulsion and sensitizer. Understand? You are going to bring 1 spoon of emulsion and half spoon of sensitizer to coat your mesh. 1 spoon of emulsion and half spoon of sensitizer. So let's go. Then when you put it, you turn it. You're going to mix it well. So we are going to apply our emulsion and sensitizer. So see, I'm showing you. So the reason why he's blocking the sunlight from touching it is that this thing you're not supposed, when applying emulsion and sensitizer, you're not supposed to, sunlight is not supposed to touch it because a little sunlight is spoil it. So let's start. Oh. So I'm cutting the mesh now with my squeegee.
Okay.
I'm cutting the now.
Okay,
Okay, the use of this two.
Everybody study future. Because I'm not gonna change buying in me. Omeya.
me or Steve.
Abo yo game ya ifucha the thing on na apply ifote ebe adikita. Odoka. Oma na coat off ma. Obuta somehow. So you coat the inside and outside, both front and back of the mesh. I'm going to coat it. Okay, now we are done with construction of coating of the mesh with emotion and sensor. So now we are going to keep it in a place that is going to dry now. So let's go and keep it. So we are going to keep it here now so that it will dry. Remember, you are not this is not the time you are going to expose it to sunlight. You understand? You are going to keep it here to dry, not in a dark place, so that it will dry gradually. So our mesh has dried. See it. Mwah. So this is the time to transfer the artwork. See the artwork here. We are going to use our kerosene. If you like, you can make use of oil, groundnut oil. You can use groundnut oil to transfer the mesh. If you like, you can use kerosene. But what we are going to use now is kerosene. Now let's proceed. See the artwork. Yes. So make sure you arrange it well. So this is the artwork and the mesh. So now you are going to apply the kerosene. So after applying your kerosene, you are going to take it out to expose it to sunlight for about 10 to 15 minutes. So you are going to time it. So now it's 15 minutes. Let's go and wash it out to see how it came out. First of all, you have to remove the artwork. Then you bring your water, your foam, then your detergent. That detergent is in case you did not get it, you wash it out. Understand? That's the essence of that detergent there. Remember, you can equally use retarder to wash out the chemical. Like that is if you want to wash out the mesh, wash out the whole emotion on the mesh. That is if you didn't get it. But here in this case, we are just going to be pouring only water on the mesh, small like this. See how I'm doing it? I'm just going to be pouring water small to see whether what we did is correct. So let's watch and see it. As you can see, it came out neat, very nice. That's how to do it. So this is the easiest way to transfer your artwork from construction of mesh, coating of the mesh with emulsion and sensitizer, then exposing it to sunlight to transfer your artwork. That's it. As you can see, my trainees are very happy. They can't wait to do the practical on their own.
So after this stage, you have to keep it under the sun so that it will dry well. If you haven't watched our video of how to print on nylon, go and watch it because I've posted it, how to print on nylon. So this is the first stage. Then how to print on nylon is the second stage. You understand it better. Don't forget, we offer physical and online classes and deliver full printing package to anybody that wants it anywhere you are. And if you are interested in physical and online classes or you want the full printing package, contact the number on the screen. Don't forget to go and watch how to customize nylon on my page. It's sitting right there waiting for you. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Bye.